fishing. That was the mascot. Me and the mascot were just going out for a quick walk before me and Ewan, we go out fishing, Isle of Skye. We're heading over to the Isle of Skye. Can't wait, it's been a while since I've been to the Isle of Skye. So this morning we're going to see about maybe catching a few trout. After the trout we're going pollock fishing. We are excited because it's the first time of the year we've properly been pollock fishing. The last time we tried was way too early and we did it with flyers because we're, well, different, special. We're getting the lures out today. Hopefully, if things really do pick up, I'm going to switch over to flies. I'm not going to start on the flies because it might not be that great. We'll give you a run through the gear and stuff that we're using, lures that we're using. And yeah, if there's anything you guys want to know, feel free to ask us because we will help you guys out. Pollock's something that we feel that we've fairly got on okay with in the last few years. Hopefully today we'll be able to show you some fish. Anyway, until then, peace, see you in Skye. How you doing? VLF, we're here, we're on the Isle of Skye. We're somewhere on the Isle of Skye. Beautiful scenery. You take that in. You'll see more of that in the video, I'm sure. Yeah, basically in a nutshell, we're just away to go for a little bit of fishing, see what's there. It is colder than we thought, man. I'm here with the traffic warden. Ewan, we're heading fishing. What are you using here? I am using El Cheapo fishing rod that I got in an outdoor shop. Tackle wise, I'm on £30 braid, £10 fluoro, and my favourite, Mr. Savage gear. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I think it's a dying minnow, I think they call it. Weedless hook and a bullet weight. We'll see what it's about. If that's not getting anything, I'll probably go down smaller and we'll take it from there. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit once we start pulling fishing. Bye! We're here, we made it to our secret spot, and I'm not going to tell you where, but we've just hiked for an hour and a half ish, and we're here. So this is our view. Sorry, don't know what that was. You can enjoy the view for a quick second. See that nice big cliff sticking up? That was where we walked from. Good luck finding it if you want to come here. Yeah, just a quick hello. We're at the spot. We had a couple of casts at the car park. There's a sort of slip, if you will. We had a couple of casts there, and it was bad. So now we're going to have another go here. I'm going to stick you over to Ewan, who's going to say hello. Then he's going to turn you off and stick you on his chest and film himself fishing for a bit. Hopefully, catch something. Say hello.
Hello. So here's what I'm fishing with. Pollock, sea trout, coley, wrasse, anything. catches ever today for April, so see you soon. Alright guys, so first fish of the day, say 2 to 3 pound, 2.5 pound, that sort of size. Just caught him right on the bottom. He was sitting right in the weeds. I thought he was the weeds for a while, but turns out no, that's an actual fish. So that's my first fish of the year, or second maybe. First fish I've landed this year, so good start. Alright, see you soon.
I don't want to be known as the racist one, but yeah. Peace out. Hopefully, be able to show you a fish or two in a couple of minutes. See you later. Bye. Well, right guys, I don't know whether or not you can hear me because I've not got the microphone set up. When I'm editing, I'll know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, this is our spot. Look at this. How many people watching this know where this is? None of you. And you're not going to. I'm with the traffic warden. And yeah, luckily we paid our tickets because, well, they're not are they? Excuse my French, I'll edit that. Beep. Here's our river. We're heading upstream. Try not to die on the way. And nice upstream, and we'll just see what we can do. This is my first time fishing this river, and it's also first time fishing a river like this, in a place like this. I've always fished the trout on fisheries, so I'm guessing you might not actually see a fish here, but you never know. This water's so clear. So I'm going to get off the camera and stop talking so don't scare every single fish in that river off. It's been lovely speaking to you guys. Hopefully you get to come back on when we've got a fish on. Till then, see you later. Before that, I'll let you just soak that in. Take that. So far we're not actually catching any trout, but I'm going to be honest, I prefer this to even catching pollock. Not catching trout here is awesome. Look at this! I feel like I'm an extra in Lord of the Rings. Look at that! There you go, I mean, you can see it for yourself. Awesome. Anything to add?
What you said.
Well guys, we have been unsuccessful with the trout, but hey, like I said, I have thoroughly enjoyed this. It has been phenomenal. Just unbelievable fishing here. I've never been here before. This is a new spot for me. I will be coming back here, and I will definitely try and catch some here. It's really quiet today. The water's incredibly clear, and aside from the clarity of the water, there's no activity in the water at all. It's very cold, but hey, like I was saying earlier, I mean, like, I'm gonna do a full 360 for you guys, right? I'm gonna start off here. And just look at this place. like I say, it's phenomenal.
So day 2, we're in a secret location once more, and we're going to try and catch some pollock again. A little shipwreck we've heard about to fish. The tide's coming in, so everything's right. Nice day. Nice.
Hi guys, how you doing? VLF here, Jack. Sorry, there's been a slight change of plan. I was going to be hoping to go with my lighter rod, do a bit of drop shotting, but because I'm an idiot, I decided to get the rod out of the boot of the car. Now, there are a few things dotted around in the car and on top of the rod, so rather than move them, but now I just pulled the rod out and snapped it in half, so I'm not going to be fishing light and doing a bit of drop shotting like I wanted to. I'm now going to have to fish the spare rod and throw out some of the world's biggest lures because it's quite a heavier rod, but at least I'll be fishing. So we'll see what happens and hopefully get a fish on the line for you guys. And yeah, here is Ewan.
Hey, day 2. So
what are you using?
Back to this Cycle Sprat. I think that's 8 gram. Cycle Sprat by Savage Gear. Yeah, it's probably my most reliable lure. So yeah, let you know.
Here we are. We're at the point just next to the car. We've actually gone Ewan just wants to pass it to the water. Have a look at that. It's crystal clear. Look at the water. That is amazing. It just looks like it's nice and deep. And I'm hoping that Ewan's sources are talking about this and not taking these hands, because I'm hoping that there is not a wreck. Now let's go over some little commercial lessons in the wreck. Now, if any of you guys out there are fishing lure, I see my lure. Cast it, one more cast and I'm done. I just want to beat you for once. So we're evens, I think. Nice to have a... Hi guys, well that's us. We've done a couple of hours fishing this morning. Calling it a day because I want to get home. And yeah, well, that was good actually. It was a bit better than yesterday. Hopefully got a good video together for you. Shame the fly fishing river never came through for us. Ewan, you caught two?
Yeah, 2 Pollock, maybe about £2, both of them. Just on lures, you know. There's a wreck right in front of the pier we were fishing on, and I think that's where the fish will be sitting, so it's definitely fun.
Yeah, so one top secret location for VLF. Yeah, good spot. We really enjoy fishing today. There's the view, as you can see. Nice walk back from our top secret spot, from where we are now, and yeah, just a really good day, good weekend. Time to head home. A couple of hours, we'll be home. Have a nice cup of coffee. First hot coffee I've had for about 2 days. Really need it now. But yeah, thanks for watching. You know, remember, like, subscribe, all of that.
Share as well.
Share as well. There you go. Share as well. Until next time. See you later.